So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to remove base from Sceptre monitor stand, release tab, screws and VESA prep. So how to remove base from Sceptre monitor stand. Power off and place the monitor safely. Turn off the monitor and unplug the power cable and HDMI DisplayPort cables. Lay the monitor face down on the soft cloth or towel to protect the screen from scratches while removing the stands. Second is locate the release tab or screws. Check the back or bottom of the stand where it connects to the monitor. Most Sceptre monitor use either a release tab clip or 2 or 4 screws that hold the base plate and stand the place. Third is remove the base plate. If your model has screws, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove them and gently lift the base away from the stand. If there is a release tab, press or slide the tab while plugging the stand base outward until it detaches. Fourth is detach the stand from the monitor. Once the base is removed, look for additional screws or a locking clip where the stand connects to the monitor. Remove the screws or press the release latch and slide the stand out of the mounting slot. Fifth is prepare the monitor for VESA mount. After removing the stand, you will see VESA mounting holes, usually 75 by 75 mm or 100 by 100 mm. On the back of the monitor, attach the VESA plate from your wall mount or monitor arm using the appropriate screws. Thank you.